In this video we will look at how to remove audio from a video using this software called Avidemux. It is a free software and available for all operating systems including Windows, macOS and Linux. And for Windows and macOS you can find the download link in the description, and for Linux you will find Avidemux from Flatpak package manager. And also if you are using Windows, you can also get Avidemux using the winget command, and open a command prompt or PowerShell and then type winget install avidemux.avidemux, and that will install Avidemux on your Windows PC. So here's the video we are going to use in this example, and right now it has audio, and now we will convert it without audio. So what we need to do is drag and drop video to the interface, and then make sure that video output is set to copy, so the video will not be re-encoded and it will keep the original quality as well. And then to remove audio we need to go to audio and then select track, and from here you can see this video have 2 audio track, and what we need to do, uncheck all available audio tracks and then click OK, and now you can see in the audio output we have 0 tracks. And after that all we need to do is save the video using this save button, and you might see different save button depends on your version of Avidemux, and you might see a save button like this one as well, but you can also go to file and save as well. And we will I also going to keep the output format as MP4. This original video is MP4 file, so I will keep MP4 as the output format as well, and then we will save it. So this is our new video without audio. Also, if you want, you can use this timeline editor to edit the video, and here you can use these A and B markers to mark in and out point. And when you do that, for example, now if I save this video, and only this part of the video will be saved. And also you can use this A and B marker to mark section and delete section from the video. If I press delete key, it will delete the part that I selected, and you can also do that as well. And also you can do this other way around as well, and that means you can also save audio from a video. And for that I will show you. First I will close this existing project, and I will bring back the original video to the interface again, and this time I'm going to select audio output as MP3, and then we go to audio and select save audio, and this will save this video as a MP3 file. And now we have a MP3 file from that video as well. So this software Avidemux is a really useful tool to have installed on your computer. And also if you want to learn more about how to create video clips using Avidemux, make sure to check the link in the video description.